In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into ClickUp. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply need to get organized, importing tasks from a spreadsheet can save you time and effort. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your ClickUp workspace. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see your workspace avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu where you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings to proceed to the next stage of the process. Once you're in the settings, look to the left side of your screen. There, you'll notice an option for imports and exports. Click on Imports and Exports, and you'll see a screen that allows you to import items. Go ahead and press on Import Items. This is where we begin the exciting part of bringing in your data from a CSV file. Now you'll be prompted to select the Spreadsheet option. Once you've done that, it's time to choose a location within ClickUp where you want these tasks to live. Pick the location that makes the most sense for how you plan to manage your projects. For example, if you have multiple teams or projects, you might want to choose a specific list or folder. At this point, you might notice an option to select the format of your dates. If your CSV file includes dates, make sure they are formatted correctly. If you're unsure or don't have dates, no worries. Just click on Continue to move forward. Next, you're ready to upload your CSV file. Click on the Upload option, which will open a file browser window. Navigate to the location on your computer where your CSV file is saved. Select the file you want to import and then press Open. Your CSV file will now start uploading into ClickUp. And that's it. You've successfully imported your CSV file into ClickUp. It's a straightforward process, but one that can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your tasks and projects. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. We love bringing you tips and tricks to make your work life easier, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with ClickUp.